The heart of marriage, Romain Rolland once said, the only greatness in marriage lies in the loyalty of two hearts. Yet, in some marriages, this loyalty feels out of reach. Love isn't something we can fully control even if we restrain ourselves. We can't control the other person. Betrayal is the ultimate betrayal in marriage, yet some still cross that line. Many assume that if a man strays, it's because he's tired of his wife. But is that really true? The truth, wife vs lover in reality. A man's deepest care is often still for his wife, but many women don't see it. Shi Murong once wrote, "Marriage isn't just about two people facing each other. It's about facing the world together." At first, couples understand this, but over time, some grow bored, taking their partner for granted. Shakespeare said, "We always desire what we chase more than what we possess." Many men, once deeply in love, later lose that spark. The comfort of marriage makes them crave excitement elsewhere. When a man strays, he may tell his lover, "She's more important," but that's often just to keep the affair going. Deep down, if exposed, most men choose their wives. A story of regret. Mr. Lin's story. I was married for 10 years. My wife was kind, hardworking, and loved by my parents. But our marriage lacked passion. She was quiet and shy. I met a lively, charming woman online and had an affair. I thought I could have both my stable home and thrilling romance. But when my wife found out, she nearly left me. I begged for forgiveness, and she gave me one last chance. But trust was broken. Even years later, she couldn't forget. I lost her respect, our intimacy, and our peace. Now, I regret it all. This betrayal teaches us, a lover is temporary, a wife is irreplaceable. Why men don't leave their wives most. Men don't cheat to divorce, they crave excitement, not a new life. Studies show 95% of cheating men never intended to leave their wives. A lover spends freely, a wife saves for the family. A lover seeks fun, a wife cares for your health and daily life. Affairs fade. Marriage is the real commitment. One man admitted, "Marriage is marriage, it's all the same after a while. I cheated for fun, not to destroy my family." Love means loyalty, true. Love isn't about passion, it's about choosing one person again and again. As one wise saying goes, the best men aren't those who've loved many, but those who've refused many for the one they love. Final lesson for women. If a man has a family, no matter how much you love him, walk away. A secret affair can't replace a real marriage. For men, if you seek true love, and your marriage first. If you value your wife, stay faithful, because in the end, home is where the heart belongs.